Lisa with WTI, and today I want to show you this beautiful towel I got from my husband. It's a beach towel and I want you to see the size. It's fabulous and I want to show you why I've been loving it so much. My husband has been loving his beach towel from Whitley Willows. He loves blue color and this has a beautiful print with a lot of blue, so this made the perfect gift for him. I appreciate that it's big enough, it's lightweight, it's super easy to bring to the beach, it's super easy to wash, and he has been loving it. He loves laying down on it, knowing that his whole body is going to fit in. He also truly likes it. It dries super quick, so he can use it and have it dried within minutes since it's a microfiber material. So if you're looking for something nice and unique as a gift, then definitely go for this beach towel for this summer, but that's just my point of view.